Hello everybody, welcome back to channel ANZ Machinery. How a bolt is made. Portland Bolt and Manufacturing. Portland Bolt and Manufacturing creates high-quality bolts through a precise multi-step process. Below is an overview of how these essential fasteners are made. The process begins with chamfering, where the ends of a steel rod are beveled to ensure a smooth edge. This step prepares the rod for threading and helps achieve a precise fit during assembly. For enhanced durability, bolts are often hot-dip galvanized. This involves submerging the bolts in molten zinc, which creates a corrosion-resistant coating. This step is especially crucial for bolts used in outdoor or industrial environments. Next, threading is performed. Threads are cut or rolled onto the rod using specialized machinery. This ensures the bolt can securely fasten components together. The threading process requires accuracy and consistency to meet stringent quality standards. Before galvanizing, bolts are cleaned in a caustic soda solution to remove grease, oil, and other contaminants. This ensures the zinc adheres properly to the steel surface. After the caustic soda bath, bolts are dipped in a sulfuric acid solution to eliminate rust and scale. This acid treatment leaves the steel clean and ready for the galvanizing process. By combining precision engineering with rigorous quality checks, Portland Bolt and Manufacturing ensures that every bolt produced is built to perform in even the toughest conditions. The manufacturing of a bolt is a fascinating process that involves precision and craftsmanship. It begins with a round iron bar, the raw material from which bolts are crafted. These bars are typically made of steel or other durable metals, chosen for their strength and resilience. The first step is heating. The round iron bar is heated in a furnace to make it malleable. This high temperature ensures the metal becomes pliable enough to be shaped without cracking or breaking. Once heated, the next step is to form the hexagonal head. The softened metal is placed into a forging machine where it is compressed and shaped into the characteristic hexagonal head of a bolt. This head is essential for tools to grip the bolt during tightening or loosening. After the head is formed, the bolt undergoes the threading process. Threading involves cutting spiral grooves along the shank of the bolt using a die or a thread rolling machine. These threads allow the bolt to fasten securely when paired with a nut or threaded hole. The accuracy of this step is crucial, as the threads must match standardized dimensions for compatibility. Finally, the bolt is inspected for quality, ensuring it meets industry standards. Additional treatments, such as galvanizing or coating, may be applied to enhance its resistance to corrosion and wear. This sequence of heating, shaping, threading, and finishing transforms a simple round iron bar into a functional and indispensable component used across countless industries. How high-quality rail bolts are made. AGI-CO Group rail bolts, also known as track bolts, play a vital role in railway construction by securely fastening rail ends at joints. Ensuring their quality and durability is essential for the safe and reliable operation of railways. Here's a detailed look into the process and standards for manufacturing high-quality rail bolts, as practiced by AGI-CO Group. Track bolts come in various sizes depending on the specific requirements of the rail section. The appropriate diameter and length of a track bolt are determined by consulting applicable railway standards, such as AREMA, American Railway Engineering and Maintenance of Way Association, or other regional guidelines. These standards ensure the bolts meet the necessary mechanical properties and dimensions for safe and effective use. Material selection. High-quality rail bolts are made from premium-grade steel to ensure strength, durability, and resistance to wear. AGI-CO Group employs advanced metallurgical processes to achieve the desired tensile strength and toughness. Precision forging and threading. The bolts are forged to the precise specifications required by railway standards. Threads are meticulously cut or rolled onto the bolts to ensure a perfect fit with nuts. Precision threading also prevents loosening under dynamic loads. Heat treatment. To enhance their mechanical properties, rail bolts undergo heat treatment processes, such as quenching and tempering. This step increases their strength, hardness, and resistance to fatigue. Corrosion protection. Bolts are often treated with coatings like galvanization to prevent rust and extend their lifespan, especially in harsh environments. High-quality manufacturing alone isn't sufficient. Proper installation is equally important for optimal performance. Proper sizing and tightness. Bolts must match the specific requirements of the rail section and be tightened securely to ensure stability. Use of AREMA spring washers. To prevent loosening over time, bolts must be installed with AREMA spring washers. Nuts are tightened against these washers to ensure a firm grip. Bending Inconel tubing at Good Fabs. At Good Fabrications, Good Fabs, expertise in fabricating high-performance exhaust systems for Formula One teams and engine builders sets them apart. With decades of experience in shaping, bending, welding, and machining, they work with a range of materials including Inconel, titanium, and stainless steel to meet the stringent demands of motorsport engineering. Good Fabs specializes in bending Inconel tubing, a material renowned for its exceptional strength, heat resistance, and durability, qualities essential in the high-stress environments of Formula One racing. Their team has mastered the art of precision bending to ensure optimal performance and fit, maintaining the structural integrity of the material throughout the process. What truly distinguishes Good Fabs is their extensive tooling collection for bending tubes ranging from 1 to 3.5 inches in diameter. This arsenal, likely unmatched outside the aerospace industry, enables them to execute complex bends across multiple center lines with unparalleled accuracy. This capability ensures they can meet diverse design specifications and deliver bespoke solutions tailored to their clients' unique needs. Beyond Inconel, Goodfabs also excels in working with titanium, stainless steel, and aluminum, providing a comprehensive suite of services for high-performance exhaust fabrication. Their meticulous attention to detail, coupled with a commitment to innovation, has earned them a reputation as a trusted partner for some of the most demanding applications in motorsport and beyond. Whether it's a single bend or a complex exhaust system, Goodfabs combines advanced techniques, state-of-the-art tooling, and expert craftsmanship to deliver exceptional results.